Hello, welcome back to the Off-Grid family. Today I'm going to be looking at a Wish camera. A friend of mine who isn't that good with technology was looking around on Wish and he found a camera and he said it looked just like a Canon camera, I'm going to get it. I said to him, maybe that's not such a good idea. Other sites like AliExpress tend to give you a bit better than Wish. You know, Wish, you tend to get a piece of plastic with nothing in it. With AliExpress and companies like that, you tend to get sort of what you're asking for, and they do actually sell high-end premium goods as well, whereas Wish, you can spend high-end premium prices, still get some empty plastic. You know, it seems to be like a rotten wedge all the way through Wish, whereas other sites, not just AliExpress, tend to have a little bit better products and product management. So I sort of suggested maybe not going that route. So he went ahead and bought it, and within about a day he said, you can have it. I don't want it, it's a piece of rubbish. I had to edit myself then because he didn't say it was a piece of rubbish, he said it was a piece of something else. And I'm going to have a look at it. We're going to have a look at the photos it takes and, you know, its zoom quality and stuff like that. And then we're going to take it, well, we'll weigh it, see what weight it is compared to like my camera, for example, and then we will take it apart and see what's actually inside it. Now, we're not taking apart my camera, just to compare. I know what's inside my camera, but I also know what's not going to be inside that camera. I'll be surprised, even with how light it is, I bet you there's still going to be bits of stuff that's in there to make it weigh it down a bit more than it already has. But yeah, let's go and have a look at it, because it's going to be a bit of a giggle, this one. Before we get on, thanks Joseph and David, you guys are awesome. Thank you so much for your support, I do genuinely appreciate it. And if you'd like to become a patron like them, pop down in the description and all the links are there, but please don't feel like you have to. Just watching this and interacting, you know, leave me a comment, thumbs up, that kind of thing, that'd be awesome. Anyway, let's get on. Okay, so it's time for the video that no one asked for. Let's have a look at the nearly £30 Wish camera. This is going to blow you away, guys. Let's have a look. Okay, this is the instructions. I'm going to leave that for a minute because I want to show you how cool this thing is. I've had a quick look at it. It's incredible. As I say, I didn't buy this. This was a friend of mine, and he sent it to me, gave it to me, and he wasn't happy. And I was like, is everything all right? He goes, just have it, take it apart, do whatever. And yeah, he spent £28 on this. Now, first things first, doesn't that look awfully like a certain branded name? Obviously not identical, but I'd say close enough if you're not looking at them side by side and you're just walking past it very, very quickly. Okay, so a few things. Number one, it comes with a flash. And this is incredible, look at this. Wow, that's amazing, isn't it? I haven't tried the flash yet, but we will be, don't you worry. It's got zoom, wicked. And look at that screen, oh, look at it. Let's clean it off a bit so you can see it's pure beauty. As you can tell, this is one beefy piece of kit. Now, I did decide to weigh this with my camera. My camera didn't have a battery in and it weighed that. And this one, I left its battery in. I say battery because, like all cool, really good high-end cameras, this needs AA batteries. Yeah. That's incredible. And then it takes that long to register there's a card in it. Let's take the... Why has it got this protector on it anyway? Look at the lens. Oh man. I bought a camera 20 years ago, well, about 23 years ago now, and it was a little spy camera. I was really into that sort of thing when I was younger, and it must be more than 20, it must be about 30 years ago. And I kid you not, it takes better photos than this thing does. I'm trying to get it so you can actually see through the camera's view. Oh, there you go. Can you see how good that is? Definitely no issues with lines and stuff. By the way, those lines are actually there. That is not because of the refresh rate of the camera or anything like that. Then when you press take a photo, it takes 3 for some reason. And that is 3 photos being taken. It may be on, you know, burst photo and stuff. Let's see the flash, because I haven't used the flash yet. Okay, so it's just a bright LED and it's not all that bright. Great. One of my favourite things about this is I'm going to try and get it in view. Oh, no more flash. I'm going to take a photo of this. So I'll take 3 photos. Now, from the exact same place, almost, I'm going to zoom in and you'll be able to see it zooming in. Beautiful. Now I'm going to take 3 more photos. And as you'll notice here, this is the difference in the photos. The funny thing is the zoom is only for your benefit. It doesn't do anything to the photo. There's no difference in pixels. There's no difference in anything. So yeah, this is an incredible pile of rubbish. And the fact that it's nearly £30 for this. You know, you can buy the £10 fake GoPros that are infinitely better than this. I mean, infinitely. But I thought, oh, hang on. You want to see the goodbye screen as well, don't you? Get ready. Isn't that amazing? Okay, first off, this is where the batteries go. So you get your 4 AA's, you know, because why have one battery that's good? And then this is where you got your old USB, I can't remember what it's called. Yeah, can't bother to even think. And then the big old memory card. Obviously, why would they have a micro? Anyway, yeah, so what I think we're going to do is we're going to have to take this apart. We're going to have a look at it from, you know, what's actually in it. And to be honest, I reckon that there's actually weighted bits in here as well. I don't think that this is the weight of this, even though it's so light. I reckon they've got a piece of metal in here or some concrete or something as well. So I think we should take this apart. So I'll be back once I've got everything ready. Oh, I haven't looked at the instructions yet. Let me just actually see if they're any good. I can't imagine they are, though. Please insert memory card as below diagram and make sure that golden finger is facing downwards. Beware of orientation of video recorder. Please insert the video recorder with the SD card inserted in if device doesn't detect the SD card. Slide down to open and remove battery cover and install 3 AAA alkaline batteries. They're AA, not AAA. And it's 4. So, well done. So slide down and open and remove the battery cover and install 3 AAA alkaline batteries according to the polarity signs on the terminal location. So that's the only proper English sentence in this whole thing. And they got 2 bits of information wrong in it. Okay, brilliant. One thing I didn't try, and I'm going to have to try now because it's just reminded me, is we've got to figure out how to use the camcorder part of this. So we'll do that first. What we need to do is we need to get one of my videos playing because, you know, me being me, awesome. Yeah, there we go. So it's now recording, and I'm just going to talk. For some reason, it's not picked up that this is in my hand. Come on, autofocus, right. It doesn't look too bad like that. But I'm just going to keep it recording and then I'll have a look at what the quality is. Now, obviously I'm talking, so that should be enough for it. And let's skip this because this bit's overexposed. It was a very, very bright day. Nothing I could do. Good excuse. Okay. God, he's handsome, isn't he? Oh, I think you should subscribe and stuff, even if I can't say it myself. Right, okay, let's have a look at what that looks like. Yeah, there we go. So it's now recording, and I'm just going to talk. For some reason, it's not picked up that this is in my hand. Come on, autofocus, right. It doesn't look too bad like that. I'm just going to keep it recording, and then I'll have a look at what the quality is. Now, obviously I'm talking, so that should be enough for it. And let's skip this because this bit's overexposed. It was a very, very bright day. Nothing I could do. Good excuse. Okay. God, he's handsome, isn't he? Oh, I think you should subscribe and stuff, even if I can't say it myself. Right, okay, let's have a look at what that looks like. There you go. Technology at its best, hey? Another impeccable advert for Wish. Wish.com. If you've got the money, we'll send you some empty plastic. Yeah, alright, there we go. Thanks again to Joseph and David. You guys are awesome. I really appreciate it. Anyway, see you again next week. Bye for now.